morning, traders. Welcome back to, good evening, traders. Welcome back to Stock Over Trading. Oh yeah, good morning, good evening, doesn't matter because I just woke up. So let's talk about what happened today, and we need to answer the question to ourselves: is today a trend reversal? And I kid you not, this is not a trend reversal. If it's trend reversal, we need to look at a bigger candle that confirms what's going to happen after that. And then we need to see some follow through tomorrow. So no one saw this coming. Not many people saw this coming. That we went from 29.54 and we just straight dumped to 29.23. We need to recap what the Fed said. So they are not going to change interest rate. The interest rate remains unchanged. But he likes inflation, 2%. How can someone like inflation? So that's why today the general public took it as a bad sign and the tender machines to the sell side. But that's okay because smart traders will buy this tomorrow and after tomorrow open dip. So we'll be looking at tomorrow at around okay, so it's really funny how they close just a little bit below yesterday's low, and then we are literally right on the 10 days. Well, not right on. We are a little bit off by like a point or two on the 10 days moving average. So what's gonna happen tomorrow is that we are going to, of course, open lower, and we are going to go down just a little bit. Remember we have a magic line at 29.11 on the S&P futures. So that's about 29.915 on the SPX. So tomorrow 29.19, 29.20. Of course, I will always look at the E-mini futures to decide when should I enter the dip. So 29.11 is the one that we are going to be looking for in terms of the support. So we want to make sure that we don't miss this, because if you miss it, you're not going to see another dip for the next week and a half. And I'm pretty confident because you think they just hit the all-time high today and they're going to say, okay, we're done. We're going to have a trend reversal. No, this is just a pullback within an uptrend. Okay, so with that being said, on the SPX tomorrow, I'll be expecting a lower open, and then you wait for bottom out. You don't just buy calls right at open. Do you think people are going to buy puts after we drop 22 points tomorrow? Today, buy puts tomorrow at open? No, that would be stupid. So smart traders are going to wait for a bottom, and then that's when you buy the dip. Okay, you could jump in tomorrow, maybe we can just blast higher, but that's not what I'm seeing, because Square and Qualcomm, they both are down about 5-6% on Square, and Qualcomm 3%. So we are going to wait for a bottom again, and NVDA is a buy, and I'll tell you why. I was up about $2,000 on NVIDIA today. Like, I bought it. So we have 3 legs down today. I bought a dip, a second one, and I see another leg down. I bought a dip, and then NVIDIA ran to like 185, 185.7 or something. I did not lock my profit. I don't know why, but that's okay. I have a May 24th, 190 call. Yeah, 190 call, and then I have a May 17, 185 call. So this is what we are looking for tomorrow with NVIDIA. 180 is a support, right? So tomorrow, if we break below 180 and then we held above it, that's when you buy it. If we don't close, or we keep on tagging to 180 and keep on falling, 177. But I doubt it. I doubt we are going to go to 177 or below. So you buy a dip at 180, targeting. Well, you are going to buy a May 17 or May 24th, because I still strongly believe that NVIDIA is going to have a very, very nice run, just a week shy before the earnings. So NVIDIA, this is gonna make us a lot of money. I know Apple today is still kind of early at open, but that's okay. I was expecting about 10K profit, only made 2K. Nothing to worry about it. So the next one I want to be looking at it's Apple. With Apple, yeah, we had a major at the end of the day. We had a huge drop with Apple because the whole market was tanking. So surprisingly, well, 213 line, we dropped to 210. Tag here. Coincidence? I don't think so. So we are going to be buying Apple around the 209, 208 tomorrow at open if it opens like that, and we are gonna ride Apple all the way back up to 215 and then 220 next week. So why am I so bullish? Because Apple beats revenue, beats the earnings per share, and has a better guidance for next quarter. So I think Apple with the market will go back to 220, maybe even hit the all-time high on Apple. And the next one I'll be looking at is Facebook. I sold my Facebook positions, all of them today, at the high of 196. Facebook likes around this range still. I don't think there's anytime sooner we're going back to 185. So with Facebook, we are going to, again, same plan. Wait for tomorrow and to buy the dip at 190, 191. If it goes to 190, I'm definitely buying it. 191, 191.5. Like yesterday's low at 191.5, and then the previous day low at 190.9. That's when you're gonna buy the dip. Like, guys, think about this. Smart traders are not going to short this market because first of all, we are down about 22 points. Yes, it could go lower, but remember, we have some, again, fake China news coming very soon. That's why you see Alibaba popping up a massive 2% today. It went to 192 today, and then, of course, the market dipped a little bit. Alibaba broke the previous resistance at 188. We went to a highest 193. Shoot, 193. Okay, so the next resistance Alibaba, we're looking at 200. Like the next one is at $200, or you can say like 190, 196, 198, $200. And something's gonna happen with the news, and I think that's not a catalyst to push the market higher. And also today it's just a massive overreaction. Like you saw it today, 29.54, and just we double top. Yeah, we can say we double top, we triple top, whatever you want to call it, and then we dumped. But that's okay. So with this being said, let's look at 1 day, 1 hour, and let's look at the on the 5 days time frame. Yeah, this is still BTD for me. Tomorrow, 29.12. If we hit that 2912 on S&P, I'm going to buy the dip. Of course, you don't just buy it like right at open. If it opens at 29.12, if it opens at 29.12, you are definitely gonna expect some kind of follow through to the downside. And then when it attack back 29.12, that's when you know, okay, it's time to buy a dip, and they buy this up. Again, 2 to 3 weeks out calls. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.